Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept every string ending with the substrings of length m. Construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where every string ends with substring of length m. Length m is there. So I will take sigma alphabet A comma B. So now W is what? Ending with what? Ending with, start could be X, ending with what? Substring of length M. I am taking substring. What is the length of the substring is M. Are you getting? Let if I take M equal to 2. So what are the possibilities are there? AB, AA, BA, BB will be there. Yes or no? So these are the substrings of length 2. So I'm repeating, you must understand ma. Ending with, I did not give AB or BA or AA something, I did not give a specified ending with some substring. What is substring? Length of the substring will be M. Depends on M, I'll get the substring here. And possibility substrings also will get. Suppose if I take M equal to 3, so like AR, BB or AAB, like this many possibility will get. So suppose in this if I take this A, ending with A if I take ending with AA if I take, now see Q0 on A, Q1, so Q1 on A, Q2 should accept or not? Q2 should accept. Now ending with A, so I will make Q2 on A also, any number of strings come, you can accept. You can start with the B, right? It can start with the B or not? Yes, start with it. If any B comes, I can send here. If again here any B comes, I can send it here. See, W equal to BAA should accept or not? Yes, accept. W equal to BA, B, again BA, A comes, should accept or not? Yes, accept. W equal to BAA, BBBB, AA comes, should accept or not? Should accept only. See, BAA, reaching Q2, again B comes, is repeating, AA should accept. If W comes, B, A, any number of A's comes, suppose, should accept or not? Yes, still it should accept because length 2 is there, should accept only. So this way we can construct. Now, so this is the question generalization all remaining 3 which we observed. So simply number of state will be M plus 1 only, correct or not? String length plus 1 only, see, length 2 I have taken, 2 plus 1. So simply M plus 1. See, for start with something, start with substring of length M, for this M plus 2 we got. Here end with substring of length M, ending with of substring of length M will get M plus 1. This we have to understand. If any question comes ma, in this question if they ask like number of states in FA, no need to construct also like this. Construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's and every string end with some string they given. Simply see the length of the string and add plus 1. Because they won't ask us to, in the GATE paper, they won't ask us to construct some FA to show them. They will ask like find the number of state in ML FA that is going to be constructed for given language. So ultimately they are asking number of states only. Whether you construct or not construct, you have to give an answer as a number of states only. Are you getting? But you must give accuracy. That is the reason. This accuracy will becomes what? Based on my observation. I have seen couple of example, we got observation, something anything is ending with some string, length of the string plus 1 if you add it, we'll get the number of state in that FA only. I hope you are getting. Please note down these points very clearly. Thank you.